Hey guys, welcome to Leetcode question 1 to sum. Given an array of integers num and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, there's a couple different ways to do this. The simplest way would be to have a nested loop within another loop, but a more efficient way to solve this problem would be to use a hash map. So the idea here is, if you look at example 2, for every item, every number in our array, we're going to map that number and its index to a hash map. And then this way we can identify counterparts which add up to the target number, in this case 6, much more easily. So for here, 2 and 4, these two would add up to be 6. And we'd want to return 1 and 2 because those are the indices of the numbers which add up to be 6. Okay, the easiest way, so in order to do this, we're going to create our hash map. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and loop through the items. Afterwards, we'll loop through our items using Python's enumerate function. We'll find the difference of the target minus the current number. We're going to figure out what number we need. Now we're going to have a conditional. So if something, else something. So in this case, we're going to say in our else statement, scene of number is equal to the index. This is where we're storing the number that we currently have and its index. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to check to see whether or not diff is in scene. So we're going to check to see whether or not the number that we're looking for, the diff on line 11, is currently available in scene. If so, we'll return the index of the current loop, or the current number that we're working on, plus the value of scene at diff. Now if I run it, you'll see that it should work. Cool.